Spanish flag history. The Spanish flag, also known as the La Rojigualda, has a rich and complex history that spans centuries. Its design has changed over time, reflecting the tumultuous history of the Iberian Peninsula and the many cultures and civilizations that have inhabited it. The origins of the Spanish flag can be traced back to the 15th century, when the Catholic monarchs, Isabella I of Castile and Ferdinand II of Aragon, united the various kingdoms of Spain under a single crown. At this time, the flag of Castile, which featured a red and gold pattern, was combined with the Aragonese flag, which was yellow and red. The resulting flag was known as the Pabellón Real, or Royal Standard. Over the years, the design of the Spanish flag continued to evolve. In the 18th century, the flag was modified to include the emblem of the House of Bourbon, which ruled Spain at the time. This emblem featured a shield with the arms of Castile, Leon, Aragon, Navarre, Granada, and the Bourbon dynasty. In the 19th century, Spain went through a period of political convulsions. During this time, the Spanish flag underwent several redesigns, reflecting the changing political landscape. In 1785, King Carlos III established the current design of the flag, which features two horizontal stripes of red, yellow, and red, with the Spanish coat of arms in the center. The coat of arms features the Pillars of Hercules, which represent Gibraltar and Ceuta, two important Spanish territories in North Africa. It also includes the motto Plus Ultra, which means further beyond, and was the rallying cry of Spanish explorers during the Age of Exploration. Today, the Spanish flag is a symbol of the country's rich history and cultural heritage. It is flown proudly at government buildings, military installations, and sporting events around the world, representing the unity and strength of the Spanish people. The current design of the Spanish flag was established in 1785 by King Carlos III. The flag features three horizontal stripes of red, yellow, and red, with the Spanish coat of arms in the center. The coat of arms includes the Pillars of Hercules, which represent Gibraltar and Ceuta, two important Spanish territories in North Africa. The motto Plus Ultra, which means further beyond, is included in the coat of arms and was the rallying cry of Spanish explorers during the Age of Exploration. The Spanish flag is also known as the La Rojigualda or the Red-Yellow. The origins of the Spanish flag can be traced back to the 15th century, when the Catholic monarchs united the various kingdoms of Spain under a single crown. The flag of Castile, which featured a red and gold pattern, was combined with the Aragonese flag, which was yellow and red, to create the first Spanish flag. In the 18th century, the Spanish flag was modified to include the emblem of the House of Bourbon, which ruled Spain at the time. During the Spanish Civil War, 1936 to 1939, the Spanish flag was temporarily replaced by various Republican and nationalist flags. Today, the Spanish flag is flown proudly at government buildings, military installations, and sporting events around the world, representing the unity and strength of the Spanish people.